after completing the hat. Let's move on to the scarf. There are multiple sizes. The crochet method is the same, only differ in the number of stitches and rows. I will demonstrate and explain using the small size as an example. For the other sizes, watch the demonstration first. Then begin crocheting on your own. The scarf is divided into Section 1, Section 2, Section 3 and Section 4. Section 1 begins with the foundation chains. Work back and forth in rows. After completing it, don't break the yarn and continue crocheting Section 2. Section 3 requires joining new yarn to crochet. After completing it, crochet Section 4. Finally, sew on the pom-poms. Let me demonstrate for you. First, crochet Section 1. Leave a yarn tail at the beginning. Begin with the required number of chains. When done, chain 3 to begin. Count them as 1 double crochet, it correspond to the 4th to last chain. Skip 1 stitch. Work 3 double crochets into the 6th to last stitch. We consider these 3 double crochets as 1 leaf. On the left side, skip 2 chains. Work another leaf into the next chain. Next, just follow the previous demonstration and the pattern to complete this row. At the end, skip 1 chain. Work 1 double crochet into the final chain. This completes row 1. Move on to row 2. Chain 3 to begin. Turn the fabric. Into the space between the final double crochet and 1 leaf. Work 2 double crochets. Between the left 2 leaves. Work 3 double crochets into the space. That means work 1 leaf into it. Next, just work leaves in the spaces between the leaves from the previous row. Complete this row all the way down. Work the final leaf between the turning chain and the leaf. This completes row 2. Move on to row 3. Chain 3 to begin. Turn the fabric. Work a leaf between the left 2 leaves. Continue to work 1 leaf between the leaves. Complete this row all the way down. Finally, work 1 double crochet into the turning chain of the previous row. This completes row 3. Next, follow this demonstration and the pattern to complete section 1. After completing section 1, don't break the yarn. Here my sample has fewer stitches. Now let's work section 2. Here we only need to work half of section 1. Just follow the pattern to work. When done, do not chain. Leave a 30 cm yarn tail and break the yarn. Enlarge this loop. Stop going here. Next, follow the pattern to complete the other half of section 1 as section 3. When done, enlarge the loop. Stop here. Hook into this loop from section 2. Adjust the loop size. Chain 1 first. Then hook into the turning chain from section 3 on the left side. Join with a slip stitch. When done, chain 1 to secure. This completes section 2. Then hook into this loop of section 3. Continue to work section 4. Chain 3 to begin. Turn the fabric. Between the double crochet and the leaf below. Work 2 double crochets. On the left side, work 2 leaves. Next, move to the chain at the joint. Pick up the chain and work 1 leaf. Continue work 3 leaves on the left side. This completes the first row of section 4. For the remaining rows, just follow the pattern to work. When done, leave a 30 cm yarn tail. Thread it into the needle. Take out the pom-pom. Sew it onto one of the end of the scarf. Sew up the other end on your own. This completes our tutorial for the scarf. Up to this point, the tutorial for this product is completed. During the process, if you still have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out our customer service. Susan's family is here for you, supporting your handwork experience, sharing the joy of life. Thank you for watching. See you next time.